Hey, lovely people, coupon crew. How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. Very small haul, okay? I went to Walmart today after work. I wanted to share with you guys what I got, and I wanted to share a couple of other things with you guys that's been on my mind, all right? Now, the first thing I decided to do was the Perdue Harvest Land chicken. I actually discovered this Sunday when I went grocery shopping, but I didn't share it because I was not doing an Ibotta haul. All right, so this is actually priced, the ground chicken. You know, I told you guys I use it for sloppy joes because my husband does not eat beef. Price $3.47 each. Now, for that rebate, you must buy two. So I purchased two. But when you scan this item, just scan it up at the top at the search bar, it actually attaches to another rebate, which is the one for the raw chicken, and it's actually for the other Harvest Land raw chicken rebate. I'm going to show you that one. For that one, it's giving you back $2, but you must purchase two. So when you purchase these two, it's going to pick up both of those rebates. It's going to satisfy one rebate. It's going to satisfy the other one. So you're going to pay $6.94 in store. You're going to get back $1 for the one it's supposed to attach to, and then you're going to get back $2 for the one that I presume that it's not supposed to attach to, making your final cost $3.94. Now, because I did this Sunday and I did it today, it qualified me for the 50 cents bonus, so I got back an additional 50 cents, making the final cost $3.44 for the 2 packs of the chicken. Okay, I'm cool with that because I'm buying it anyway. You know, I'm stocking it up. And we're going to talk about that in just a minute. Now, next rebate I decided to get was my Coke, okay? My Coke is $1.94. 25 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $1.69. Of course, it's up by the registers, all right? I'm getting my Cokes, and I'm putting them in the basket in the pantry, okay? Now, the next rebate I decided to do, guys, was my Airwick. This is the little starter kit that has the oil and the little, you know, burner in it. Price $2.97. I didn't have a coupon, guys. There's $1 coming back from my Ibotta, and on my Fetch, I ended up with 1,000 points back from Fetch, making the final cost only 97 cents. So check your Fetch, okay, for uploading that receipt. Next rebate I decided to get was the Morningstar. Now, I've never purchased this product before. This is a veggie Italian sausage style crumbles, okay? I thought this would be a good product to try for my husband. We actually had some of the Morningstar products on clearance, and this particular one was on clearance for $2.31. So I said, what the heck? Let's try it, okay? So $2.31 is what I paid. $1 coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $1.31. So what I think I'm going to do with this, I actually thought about, I don't know, maybe I could possibly make him like an omelet and maybe put it in the omelet. I don't know. If you guys have ever tried this before, let me know, okay? Next deal I decided to do was on Shopkick, guys. If you're not familiar with Shopkick, Shopkick is another rebate app, all right? I'll put my referral code up so you guys can add that to your coupon repertoire, okay? All right, now I had to get the Splashless Bleach. Now, there's 25 in-store scan kicks and 50 for uploading the receipt. Now, this one doesn't work for the scan kicks. You've got to get a bigger one and scan that one so you can get those 25 kicks. Total of 75 kicks coming back for this. There is a bundle deal. We'll get to that in a minute. Same thing for the Clorox wipes. The smaller wipe does not give you the 25 in-store scan kicks. So you've got to get a bigger one and scan that. And you're going to upload the receipt for 75 kicks. Now, surely it's going to work because it didn't give a size restriction. So I got the smallest, cheapest ones. $2.48 for the bleach and $2.54 for the wipes, okay, for a total of $5.02. Now, there is a $1 coupon that I decided to use that I got from the 10-3 Smart Source. I do believe there was also possibly coupons.com coupons, maybe, not sure, can't remember, might not be valid anymore, but you can coupon time it, okay? Now, That made my cost in store be $4.02. Now for purchasing these two, it's going to give you an additional 250 kicks as a bonus, for a total of 425 kicks coming back, or $1.70 coming back from Shopkick, making the final cost $2. I ain't said that in a long time, because y'all know I ain't been doing neither one of them. Ibotta or Shopkick, they better get their life together. Get some good rebates on there and you might get my attention. Just like a woman, you know, you got to woo me to get my attention. Now, $2.32 for the final cost, or about $1.16 each. I think that's great for a thing of bleach and a thing of the wipes, okay? Because I'm telling you guys, y'all need to do that. Y'all need to buy stuff. All right, guys, it's the next day. It's lunchtime, and I'm closing out this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I still don't have a bonus from Ibotta. I did get a response back from my ticket that I submitted. However, they are still talking like they don't know what I'm talking about, okay? They're asking me to send pictures, even though I was really very exact about what I was saying. Normally I get a bonus. I haven't gotten a bonus. Why haven't I gotten a bonus? That was what I was asking. So they're asking me for pictures as though I'm speaking of a specific bonus that I did not get. So I don't even know if I'm gonna respond to the ticket. At this point, I just feel like it's just no point. I'm going to be doing Ibotta on an as needed basis. I really don't feel like they've got anything that's super, super amazing that I'm just wanting to spend my money on. So I'm kind of just like, I don't know what's gonna happen with the history of future Ibotta hauls. Now, if you guys get a weekend bonus, let me know in the comments below. Holler at your girl, okay? The next thing that I was wanting to talk about was Listerine. I know this is gonna sound so crazy, you all, but I watched the lady's video yesterday. I'm gonna actually link it in the description box of this video, that she was talking about buying Listerine, or the need to buy Listerine, okay? She believes that she heard from God that you need to go buy Listerine, okay? So the ironic thing about that is there was also another lady that I had watched the day before, and she was talking about store shortages. She was talking about Dollar Tree. She was talking about Aldi going up on pricing. And you know, guess what she was talking about? Buying yellow Listerine. I was just like, okay, let me go buy some yellow Listerine, because that's honestly is not something that I particularly purchase. I don't just, oh, let me go buy yellow Listerine. No. So I said, that's very interesting. Let me go get some yellow Listerine, okay? Now, I have noticed that some things were kind of like a little empty in the stores, but not anything like really, really major that I particularly wanted. I did notice chicken wings. To me, chicken wings was high as crap. I don't know what it is about chicken wings. There was a 8-pound bag of chicken wings for $27 and some odd cents. Now, I can't remember, but I don't think that's a normal price of those chicken wings, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you normally buy the 8-pound bag of the chicken wings from Walmart. Great value. Let me know if that's the normal price of them, because I just thought that was extremely high. I was like, good Lord, $27 for some chicken wings? So when I looked at the price per pound, I took the 27, I think it was like $27.82, and I divided it by the 8 pounds. It ended up actually being, I think, $3.41 per pound. To me, that's kind of high, but I don't know. I haven't found them at Sam's at all, okay? So, and there was only one bag of the frozen chicken wings. I guess everybody's buying chicken wings now. And then when I went to the other packs, I ended up getting another pack that was smaller, but it was a little cheaper per pound. I think it was like maybe $3.21 or $3.28 per pound. So I was like, oh well, I'm just gonna get them because I want some chicken wings, okay? I want some chicken wings. But you know, it was so funny when we were at the beach the other weekend. How about a lady in one of the restaurants that we ate in? She claimed there was, and we were at Myrtle Beach, she claimed there was a chicken wing shortage. Let me know if you guys have heard there's a chicken wing shortage, okay? She claimed there was a chicken wing shortage in Myrtle Beach and you couldn't get chicken wings anywhere. Who knows? I don't know, guys. Who knows? Now, that's what everybody's doing. When it's a shortage of anything, now with this supply problem and employee problem, everybody's declaring it's a shortage somewhere. Who knows? Well, that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments below of the video if this was helpful for you. If it was, will you please give Couponer Crystal that thumbs up, okay? Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.